Hey guys, in today's video I am going to share a new vertical garden idea and I hope that you are going to like it. It's really very easy to do, and if you have less space at your balcony, or let's say you have some unused space at your balcony, then that time you'll be able to do it very easily and grow more plants. I really love vertical garden ideas a lot because by doing this we can grow more plants at very low space. I am going to show you everything from start to end, and please believe me, it's really very simple and you will be able to do it very easily. For the container, I am going to use few plastic container, and all these containers were not being used. That's why I have decided to use it for my garden. For the plants, I am going to use Petunia plants, but you can grow any plants you prefer, or instead of flowering plants, you can also grow either the vegetable or green leafy vegetables. Like I said you, the next steps are really very easy and I hope you can just follow me. So guys, this is the final result, and I would say that it's looking absolutely beautiful. I really don't know whether you are liking the idea or not, but anyway, please let me know your thought about this idea. Many of you also want to see my complete garden, and that's why I decided to do this today so that I can show you something beautiful in my garden. I have already shared many different ideas about vertical garden, and if you are interested in knowing more, or you want to do the same thing in your garden, then I would recommend you to watch those videos. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please do me a favor. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day, enjoy and be safe. Take care.